Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Dear viewers, I am MD Golam Rahman Al Amin Mamun, assistant teacher, ICT, Eco Pathshala and College. Today we going on to present the topics on importance of ICT, understanding ICT in classroom. So viewers, we all know what is ICT. It is important to remember that ICT is not only about computers, because in our general term we use the concept of ICT in our everyday life. Below are just some examples of items that fall under the ICT banner. As an example, information, DVD player, television, internet, calculator, radio. Communication, email, telephone, mobile phone, instant messaging, webcam, etc. Technology, digital camera, laptop, gaming console, robots, MP3 players are example too. ICT in abbreviation, information and communication technology. ICT is the technology required for information processing. In particular, the use of electronic computers, communication device and software application to convert, store, protect, process, transmit and retrieve information from anywhere and anytime. ICT is an acronym for Information Communication Technology. In my view, ICT should be a shortening for information, communication and technology, so that it is broad enough to include all the different aspects of what the acronym stands for. Information. Information technology is the reading, investigation, study or research, design, development, implementation, support or management of computer based information system, particularly software application and computer hardware. Communication technology included the internet, multimedia, email, telephone and other sound based and video based communication. Means communication technology specialists design and maintain technical system of communication. Technology like telephone, fax machine, radio, TV, satellites, www. All these things are examples of technology. Dear viewers, our first concept is, why is ICT so important? Let's see. Types of ICT. There are three types of ICT in education. Interactive whiteboard, large board placed in front of the classroom, connected to PC and projector and interact via keyboard, mouse and other peripheral device. Mobile phones and electronic device that is portable and wireless, used for communication via voice call, email, Bluetooth, infrared, SMS, fax and MMS. Video conference involves transmission visual and sound to separate locations. Cameras, monitors, speakers and microphones are used for this purpose. ICT a focus on the learner. ICT in education. Motivating, engaging the learner, offering personal approaches to learning, unleashing creativity in learning, allowing independence in learning, developing collaborative and team working skill. ICT tools in education process. Informative tools. It provides vast amount of data in various formats such as audio, video, documents. Situating tools. It creates situations which the students experience in real life. Thus, simulation and virtual reality is possible. Constructive tool. To manipulate the data and generate analysis. Communicative tool. It can be used to remove communication barriers such as that of space and time, creating digital libraries. ICT allow for the creation of digital resources like digital libraries where the students, teachers and professionals can access research materials and course materials from any place at any time. Such facilities allow the networking of academics and researchers and hence sharing of scholarly material. This avoids duplications of work. Use of ICT in education develops higher order skills such as collaborating across time and place and solving complex real world problems. It improves the perception and understanding of the world of the student. Thus, ICT can be used to prepare the workforce for the information society and the new global economy. Types of ICT tools for education: teaching tools, interactive whiteboard, computer, projector, presentation tools. What are ICT tools? Interactive multimedia, computer, audio device, internet, television, telephone and VoIP, mobile gadget, social interface, interactive whiteboard. ICT tools: laptops, a mobile computer that is operated with a battery away from power sources. Newer versions are now wireless and can connect to the internet in wireless hotspots. This can also help people to acquire some topics that they need. Now we see some pictures to output device, input device, system unit and the mass storage device. A computer system: all the different parts of computer including the device you plug into it are known collectively as a computer system. Monitor, output device, speakers and printer, output device also. Webcam, input device. Optical disk drive, storage device. base unit, processing device, scanner input device, USB flash drive storage device, mouse input device, keyboard input device, headphone input and output device also. Dear viewers, we see some input and output device also: monitor, printer, keyboard, mouse, monitor and printer output device, keyboard and mouse input device, mass storage device, system unit. Dear viewers, we see CD-ROM, floppy disk drive, monitor, scanner, speaker, video camera, printer, mouse, keyboard, zip drive, etc. We see some picture of computer uses. Computers are used in so many fields in our daily life: to communicate, draw and paint, watch and edit video, play music, edit photos, calculator, vlogs, store records, research, write music and edit music. So computers have made our life easier. Dear viewers, we all know what is the Internet of Things. A new generation of everyday objects which have embedded connectivity and a digital component. The Internet of Things referred to the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet, all collecting and sharing data. The Internet of Things is making the fabrics of the world around us more smarter and more responsive, merging the digital and physical universes. The Internet is very much useful in our daily routine tasks. Dear viewers, we see some pictures. For example, it helps us to smart farming, smart postal, smart home, television, refrigerator, independent living, IP phones, smartphone, PDA, tablet, notebook, PC, etc. Positive use of the Internet makes our lives easy and simple. The Internet provides us useful data, information and knowledge for personal and social. Use of the Internet in our daily life is depending on desires and goals. Activities in our daily life are decided after the use of the Internet. The Internet innovated our daily life. We spend lots of time on the web. Positive use of the Internet makes our lives easy and simple. The Internet provides us useful data, information and knowledge for personal, social and economic development, and it is up to us to utilize our team on the World Wide Web in a productive manner. The Internet is a revolution in information technology. The use of Internet changing the lives, business, technologies, social behavior, customers, consumption and transforming traditional methods. Internet is used to solve daily life, professional and business problems. It for shopping to save time and find more product options. Dear viewers, we know it's for learning and building skills. It's a communication channel that making it possible for all types of social, technical and business groups for explore the opportunities. So we all know technology is only another tool of productive research. That's all. Thank you.